Hello everyone, Fugi's here. Let's see what new gadget I've got today. Many of you asked, Fugi, you tested DJI NEO's first gen and DJI FPV's fill light. This isn't just a fill light, it's a universal strobe. It has fill light functions though, because the new drone lacks one underneath, red, green, and white. So with this module, just stick it on and it enhances our NEO's stable hovering, including FPV and NEO1. I've tested them all for you. Videos are on my homepage. Check them out. But that's not the topic today, it's NEO2. Many friends asked if I could find a fill light for NEO2. NEO2 differs from NEO1. It has stripes underneath. If I recommend adhesive module stickers, they won't stick. So what to do? I found something fun. Let's unbox and talk. Ta-da! Ta-da! This is a NEO2 illuminating tripod. Let's take a look. It's actually just a fill light, folks. Ta-da! Inside is a cable and a small light in the parrot's eye. It can serve as a tripod and also as a light. Below is a C port for charging, and next to it are small buttons. It's an original 1.1 mold, not glued, but clips to the bottom of the drone. There are 9 lamp beads on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see how bright it is. Oh, I'm still bright, huh? Let's see how NEO2 installs. Once it's secured, listen. It just stuck. Disassembly is very easy now. Buttons aren't affected. When flying handheld, pressing buttons has no impact. It also serves as a height extending tripod with little feet at the bottom. It also works as a fill light. Once it's on, can't we hover steadily at night when flying low? Because this drone has no fill light. When flying low at night, it drifts a bit. Like the previous NEO generation, we've all seen it. The drifting was just terrible. For NEO2, Fugi will test it for you all later. Does it drift at night? With and without the fill light, I'll make a detailed review video. About this light, Fugi will put it simply, if you need to fly at night, wearing this fill light will definitely be better than not having it. If you only fly Fugi in daylight, never at night, then don't buy this fill light. It's a waste of money. Why? Because flying at night, it has no fill light, right? We only see the battery's top light. First, hovering low at night without a fill light, it will definitely drift a bit. I'll test exactly how much it drifts for you. With this fill light, it will hover stably like the NEO1, as its downward vision can clearly see the terrain below. Secondly, when flying back from high altitude, the plane's underside has no lights. You don't know when or where it's returning. If it had these lights, after flying back, we on the ground could see its fill lights. At least we'd know it's returning with some light. Next, this plane has front laser obstacle avoidance. It's an omnidirectional aircraft, unlike others, friends. Drones like the Mavic 4 Pro 2, 3S, or Mini 9 Pro, their night vision obstacle avoidance only works in good light. But for this drone, only the front laser obstacle avoidance is active. Its visual obstacle avoidance doesn't work. If it crashes at night, at least we'll have a light to help find it. So as Fugi just said, if you're flying at night, this light, trust me, has absolutely no downsides. If you fly in the day, it's truly useless. Let's test its weight. How much does it weigh? We've been talking, but didn't weigh it, like 21 grams. So light, right? Today I'll do a quick unboxing video for you all. Tomorrow I'll update with the outdoor review. We'll see tonight if it's effective and what its actual battery life is like. Many of you are probably wondering if installing this will affect battery life negatively. Let me tell you, the key is, if you fly at night, installing it will definitely help you, right? While it might slightly impact its flight time, at night with light, we can hover stably. If the drone goes down, we can find it. While it's flying, we can see its location and when it's coming back. And then it's quite useful. That negligible battery life, my friends, we can ignore it. 20 grams is truly feather light. It's like a drone with a 4G module. You want to use it, fly high and far, even fly your drone from home to go shopping. Would you then stop using it just because the 4G module's weight affects its range? So our focus remains the same. Fugi has found many accessories for you all. You must choose or not choose based on your own needs and actual usage scenarios. If you need to fly at night, follow Fugi's reviews. I'll update them tomorrow. For reviews of NEO2, Mavic 4 Pro 2, 3S, Mini 9 Pro, and other drones, tell me in the comments. Also on my homepage and in the comments, I've personally tested many drone accessories. Interested friends can check them out. Also, Fugi streams nightly from 8 to midnight. If you have questions, let's chat in his live room. And that's it for the DJI NEO2 Fill Light unboxing. Friends, bye-bye.